We'll say if ID, otherwise proceed as usual. Alright? Otherwise proceed as usual. But in this case, what we want to do is we want to update the query so that SQL is now becomes an update. Update song lyrics, set content is equal to placeholder, and priority is equal to placeholder, where ID is equal to placeholder. And then we do our query, our connection, prepare SQL. We pass in the values. Well, it's execute actually. We execute and pass in the values what we want. I can't see because it's blocking me. Move. Right. Content is first, priority is second, and ID is last. Alright, so content is first, priority is second, priority is order, and ID is last. And then we could just return ID, which is the lyric ID.